The wonders of Brazil. This vast and vibrant country, a kaleidoscope of landscapes and cultures, holds some of the most remarkable treasures on our planet. From the pulsating heart of the Amazon rainforest to the thundering roar of Iguazu Falls, Brazil's beauty is as diverse as it is captivating. In this video, we'll explore the most fascinating places in this incredible country, delving into their history, their ecosystems, and the very essence of what makes them so special. Let us begin our adventure. The Amazon, a name synonymous with adventure, with mystery, with an abundance of life unlike anywhere else on Earth. This seemingly endless expanse of emerald green, a living tapestry woven from millions of individual species, is the planet's largest rainforest, its very lungs. Here, amidst the towering trees and the humid air, life teems in every layer of the forest, from the forest floor, teeming with insects and amphibians, to the canopy above, alive with the calls of exotic birds and the rustle of monkeys moving through the branches. Jaguars, masters of camouflage, stalk their prey in the dappled sunlight, while sloths move with deliberate slowness through the canopy. The Amazon River, a colossal artery of life, winds its way through this verdant world, its waters home to an astonishing array of fish and creatures like the pink river dolphin, perfectly adapted to this unique environment. The Amazon is a reminder of the raw power and beauty of nature, a treasure trove of biodiversity that we must protect for generations to come. Few sights on Earth can prepare you for the sheer awe-inspiring spectacle of Iguazu Falls. Imagine standing before a curtain of water, 1.5 miles wide, cascading down basalt cliffs in a symphony of sound and spray. This is Iguazu, a place where the Iguazu River takes its final plunge before merging with the Parana, a breathtaking display of nature's power. Over 275 individual waterfalls make up this natural wonder, each one a torrent of white water crashing into the gorge below, creating a permanent cloud of mist that hangs over the rainforest. Look closely, and you'll see vibrantly colored butterflies dancing in the spray, drawn to the moisture-rich air. High above the falls, great dusky swifts dart through the mist, their calls echoing through the air, sharing this spectacle with flocks of swifts and swallows. To witness Iguazu Falls is to be humbled by the sheer force of nature, a reminder of the raw, untamed beauty that still exists in our world. High above Rio de Janeiro, arms outstretched, stands Christ the Redeemer. This iconic statue symbolizes hope and faith. As you ascend Mount Corcovado, the city unfolds beneath you, and then you see him. The Christ, serene, gazes over the city. The statue's scale is awe-inspiring. From the base, the views are breathtaking. Christ the Redeemer is a symbol of hope and inspiration. Venture west of Rio de Janeiro, into the heart of Brazil, and you'll discover the Pantanal. This vast floodplain, a mosaic of grasslands, rivers and forests, is the largest wetland in the world. Here, the waters rule, rising and falling with the seasons. During the wet season, the Pantanal transforms into a shallow inland sea, teeming with fish and birds. Caiman lurk in the shallows while giant river otters hunt for fish. As the waters recede, the Pantanal becomes a haven for grazers. Capybaras gather in their hundreds, grazing on lush vegetation. The Pantanal is a testament to the delicate balance of nature. Step back in time as we journey to Salvador, a city steeped in history and pulsating with life. At its heart lies the Pelourinho, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and a testament to Brazil's complex past. This neighborhood, with its cobblestone streets and brightly colored colonial buildings, was once the center of the slave trade. Today, the Pelourinho stands as a reminder of that dark chapter, but also as a celebration of the resilience and spirit of the Afro-Brazilian culture that thrived here. Music spills out from every doorway, the rhythms of samba and axe filling the air. Wander through the squares, and you'll be captivated by the capoeira dancers, their movements a mesmerizing blend of martial arts, dance, and acrobatics. The Pelourinho is a feast for the senses, a place where the past and present collide in a vibrant tapestry of culture, history, and undeniable energy. Off the coast of Brazil, in the vast expanse of the Atlantic Ocean, lies a paradise unlike any other, Fernando de Noronha. This volcanic archipelago, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is renowned for its pristine beaches, crystal-clear waters, and abundant marine life. Imagine stepping onto shores of soft white sand, the only sounds the gentle lapping of waves and the calls of seabirds. The waters here are a kaleidoscope of blues and greens, teeming with life. Schools of colorful fish dart through coral reefs, while sea turtles glide effortlessly through the water. Divers come from all over the world to experience the underwater wonders of Fernando de Noronha, swimming alongside dolphins, rays, and even sharks. Above the water, the islands are a haven for seabirds. Frigate birds soar effortlessly on the ocean breezes, their distinctive forked tails silhouetted against the sky. Fernando de Noronha is a paradise found, a reminder of the beauty and fragility of our oceans. Prepare to be amazed as we journey to the otherworldly landscape of Lençóis Maranhenses National Park. Imagine a desert, but not of sand, but of blindingly white dunes, sculpted by the wind into ever-changing patterns. Now, imagine these dunes interspersed with thousands of crystal-clear lagoons, their turquoise waters reflecting the azure sky. This is Lençóis Maranhenses, a place of surreal beauty and tranquility. During the rainy season, the lagoons fill with rainwater, creating a breathtaking spectacle. Fish thrive in these temporary oases, their presence a testament to the adaptability of life. Local fishermen navigate the dunes as if they were seafaring vessels, casting their nets into the lagoons. As you wander through this surreal landscape, the only sounds are the wind whistling through the dunes and the occasional splash of a fish breaking the surface of a lagoon. You'll feel as if you've stepped into another world. Lençóis Maranhenses is a reminder that beauty can be found in the most unexpected places. Nestled high in the mountains of Minas Gerais lies Ouro Preto, a city frozen in time. This UNESCO World Heritage Site was once the heart of Brazil's gold rush, a place where fortunes were made and lost. Today, Ouro Preto stands as a beautifully preserved reminder of that bygone era, its cobblestone streets lined with grand Baroque churches and mansions. Step inside one of these churches, and you'll be greeted by a riot of gold leaf, the work of Aliadinho, Brazil's most famous sculptor and architect. His intricate carvings, often depicting biblical scenes, are a testament to the wealth and artistry of the period. Wander through the narrow streets, and you'll feel as if you've been transported back to the 18th century. The air is filled with the sound of church bells, and the scent of coffee wafts from the cafes. Ouro Preto is a living museum, a place where history comes alive. For those seeking adventure, there's no better place to explore than Chapada Diamantina National Park. This vast plateau, located in the heart of Bahia State, is a hiker's paradise, with towering mesas, plunging waterfalls, and hidden caves just waiting to be discovered. Lace up your boots, and prepare to be amazed by the sheer diversity of landscapes. One moment you'll be trekking through lush valleys, the next you'll be gazing out over a seemingly endless vista of rolling hills and distant mountains. Cool off with a swim in one of the many waterfalls that cascade down the cliffs, their waters crystal clear and refreshing. Venture underground into the depths of a cave, and you'll be greeted by a subterranean world of stalactites and stalagmites formed over millennia by dripping water. Chapada Diamantina is a place where you can truly reconnect with nature, a reminder of the power and beauty of the great outdoors. As our journey through Brazil comes to an end, we can't forget the country's most iconic celebration, Rio Carnival. For 5 days each year, Rio de Janeiro transforms into a giant street party, a riot of color, music, and dance. The air is electric with anticipation as the samba schools prepare to take to the Sambadrome, their elaborate costumes and floats the result of months of preparation. When the music starts, it's impossible not to get swept up in the energy. The drummers set a frenetic pace, the dancers move with a grace and precision that's mesmerizing. But Carnival is more than just a spectacle, it's a celebration of life, a chance for people from all walks of life to come together and forget their worries. From the elaborate parades to the impromptu street parties that erupt throughout the city, Carnival is a sensory overload, an unforgettable experience that will stay with you long after the last float has passed. Thanks for joining us on this incredible journey through Brazil. From the vibrant heart of the Amazon to the rhythmic pulse of Rio Carnival, we've only just scratched the surface of what this incredible country has to offer. Brazil's diverse landscapes, rich culture, and welcoming people make it a destination that will stay with you long after you've left. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing travel content. Until next time,